I am cutting my hair by myself for the first time ever, and I have quarantine to thank for that. And I watched the video and I feel like it's pretty easy and I'm really excited to do it, but now I'm kind of nervous. There's a lot of things happening I'm not sure about. There's 2 types of scissors that came in the pack. I think I'm supposed to use these ones. I just grabbed a mirror at the last second and then I got a towel. Is it messy? Do you like clip it onto the towel and then you take it away? I don't know what's gonna happen, but it's just hair, right? So it'll grow back or something.
Unless it doesn't.
Her words of encouragement were, don't worry, babe. If you mess it up, you'll just look like me. The goal is to get rid of these, and I'm even gonna try to put my own layers in. Here we go. Got the ponytails. There's only 4. I hope we don't need more than that. I've got the towel in my lap because I think that's where it's supposed to go. I do not like anyone to talk to me when they cut my hair. Not in a mean way. I just don't like talking about things. Like, just cut my hair and let's be done. I also don't like my hair washed, which might be surprising because I'm the high maintenance one out of the 2 of us. Let's see what the video says.
Tie it in the back so that it's out of my way and out of my face.
Happen. I know I didn't do it right. I know this is not good. Oh my god, it's so bad. Like, I don't know what to do right now. These are my very uneven, not feathered, beautiful layers, like the YouTube woman told me it was gonna look like. Oh, hold on. Let me show you the longer side of my hair. Oh yeah, look at this. Got a steep gap right there. They're not... Might have been user error. Excuse you? It was not. I followed all of her instructions until I got to step 2, and what she said to do wasn't happening. I had no guide to measure the rest. So I just kept cutting these pieces shorter and shorter and shorter.
So you literally followed her instructions 1 step.
To be fair, after an hour, I just started cutting it on the bottom because I got impatient and I was trying to make it all match. So, you know. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, it must have been your computer. Hi!
Hi, how are ya?
I'm Beth. This is Court.
You ready to cut some hair, Beth?
Yeah, I'm really good, and I tried to assure her I've been cutting mine for months. I don't know why she doesn't trust me.
That was such a...
That was funny, wasn't it?
It was not
That was funny.
I told you it was so bad. Everyone's like, it's not that bad. And people who know hair were like, that's really bad.
Part it where you would naturally, like where you would regularly part it.
Okay. Okay.
So, Court, you gotta put your head up straight. Now go like from ear to, look at me, Beth. Like from the top of her ear, like start at like the middle of her head and do like a T part. Like a T from here and then down from ear to ear. Leave her part right there.
Okay.
Like go like this. Okay. Don't like comb it back. She said just make a T and then pull it back.
Well, I didn't make a T on this side.
Okay, make your T and just like pull it down. I think she did it. Right? Like this?
Yep. Oh, wow. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we're going to start in the back, not those front pieces.
Oh, okay, really?
I said you were going to clip these 2 pieces out of the way, and we're going to start in the back.
Oh.
Do you see what you need to do?
No. I don't think you're at your ear.
I tell you, they're not.
Well, it's not going to be the same amount of hair because you're parted over on the side, so it's going to be heavier.
Yeah,
on that
thank
side.
you. I'm listening to the Courtney I should be listening to.
Okay, so Beth, what you're going to do, look at me.
Okay.
So like you can use the comb to drag it.
Oh, right. Okay.
Oh man, Courtney, you really.
Okay. Here's a hair tie.
So next time you want to do this, don't. No, Beth, grab the comb and the scissors, the shears.
Are shears and scissors the same thing? There's
Yeah.
also these. Okay. Now we're in business.
Cut up like this so it's not as sharp. And do a little chop chop. That doesn't look bad, actually.
Why is that
But look
side
how
look
much-
short? What? Sweetheart.
What?
This side is much shorter than this side.
Because I
She's gonna
just
go
worked
work her
on
way
it.
around.
I just worked on it.
Okay. Okay.
She's
do you
okay.
see this part?